Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Three of Pentacles, Empress, and King of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Aquarius, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are maybe moving towards some kind of a positive progress. It may be in your work, some new projects coming up, or you are initiating some new changes in your work, or some new projects. You are the head of the team, so you are making some important choices for yourself, for your work maybe, and some fruitful actions you are into. Maybe you are seeing good results for your work. Some positive changes are what I see, guys. And maybe in your work you have people helping you, and there is a sense of teamwork, community spirit, people working together, and you both maybe in your work with your team or with your colleagues, you share a good rapport, good understanding, and you have a common dream or goals for yourself, and you are working with people you have a good understanding working for you today, guys, helping you out. And maybe in your situation you are someone who is really talented and you want to do things in a particular way, and you want to stick to the rules you have for yourself, and you go by those rules. And maybe people in your work, or it may be this person you love, they are having their own ideas, their beliefs, and they don't do things your way. So there is some kind of a clash of ideas or clash of beliefs. So something is coming in between you both, or it may be a situation in your work, and maybe you are giving them valuable suggestions, the way to do things in a better way, or the right way, maybe according to you, but maybe they are not listening to you, guys. So they are not listening to your advice, and they feel that you are too rigid and you are too strict, and it is worrying them a lot, maybe for some of them. So it may be a situation in your work, or it may be a situation in this relationship. But I also see that you are maybe having a very good time with this person you love. Maybe you are planning to start a family, have a child together. So some kind of a positive progress is happening in your life, maybe in work or in your relationship, guys. So let's see what are the cards specific to your relationship first. So we have Two of Cups in reverse. So though this card is in reverse, guys, it is a very positive card. Maybe you are moving towards a firm relationship, deeper commitment with this person, and you both have a beautiful understanding between yourself. So that is what I see, guys, with this card. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Ten of Swords in reverse. So, whatever difficulties you were facing in your work situation, guys, all that is going to change, Aquarius. You are going to uh, see your situation turning advantageously for you, and it is going to give you success and happiness in your work situation, guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, Aquarius, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. Let's see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So with this card, guys, it just means that you are in a particular circumstance, trying to change yourself, making a huge sacrifice, maybe for someone you love, and you are not listening to your inner voice. Maybe you are doing something which you love to do, but at what cost? It is giving you a lot of pain, a lot of troubles. You are not happy with the changes you are making for this person or for this circumstance, but still you are doing it. You are thinking maybe only by doing this sacrifice you are going to show your love to that other person. But you can show your love to that other person, maybe your true concern to the other person, but at what cost? That is what is the question here, guys. So something which you cannot change or which you cannot do, there is a limit for anything and everything. So that is the meaning with this card. So you are making some sacrifice that is really painful, that is like simply giving up your own voice or your heart's desire. So you are changing everything for this person you love or for this circumstance, and in the long run it is not going to make you happy. So this sacrifice should be made with happiness, but if it is not made happily, then it is surely going to give you a lot of pain in the future, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to realize that the love which you feel you cannot work out, it's better you can be away from that love instead of doing impossible things to keep it, impossible things to have that love. So you need to understand that, guys, and you need to be aware of relationship which demands a huge sacrifice. Is it really worth it? So you need to take a important decision today. You need to see whether you need to sacrifice so much for this love. So it is all in your hands now, guys. Maybe if you feel it is worth it, you can go ahead. If it is not, you have to think twice, guys, before making the next move in this relationship for this love. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Archangel Raphael. So whenever we get an angel card, It just means that angels are here guiding us, guys. And this card stands for healing, guys. Healing at all levels, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So, this angel ensures safety in our travels and guiding us and assisting us in our day to day life and helping us to choose a healthy lifestyle for ourselves. Maybe if you are interested in meditation, you can take it up, guys. It is going to help you a lot. Or if you are planning to do some changes in your routine, maybe taking up a healthy habit like exercising or dieting, something which is a health oriented habit, you can do it. And also you need to heal even at the mental level. So whatever stress you are having, you are the one who can heal yourself. So this angel is assisting you in that. So if you need physical healing, you can go ahead. If you need emotional healing, you need to take the first step towards healing, guys. So that is what this card is about. And this angel is here guiding us towards our spiritual and physical growth. So that is the energy with this card. So you are already in the path of healing, maybe from the past relationship or from whatever stress you are having, or maybe some physical healing. Maybe you are recovering from some kind of an illness, or you are in some kind of illness and you are on the path to recovery. So that is the reading with this card. So this angel's guidance will help us, assist us in a healthy, happy lifestyle free of stress, and it is going to heal us in all levels, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for y'all, guys, with both the cards. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.